I am Dr. B.K. Varun. Today discuss the carbohydrate, that is the disaccharide. So what is disaccharide? Disaccharide means it is a collection of two monosaccharide, or if one disaccharide hydrolyzed to form two monosaccharide, such as sucrose. Sucrose is a disaccharide, lactose disaccharide, maltose is a disaccharide, isomaltose, cellobiose, and trehalose. These all are disaccharide. So sucrose consists glucose and fructose. One molecule glucose, one molecule fructose. And bond is alpha 1 beta 2 D-glycosidic bond. Lactose is glucose and galactose. And their bond is beta 1,4 D-glycosidic bond. And maltose is a glucose and glucose. And their bond is alpha 1,4. Isomaltose, glucose glucose, bond is alpha 1,6. Cellobiose, glucose glucose, bond is beta 1,4. And trehalose, glucose glucose, but bond is alpha 1,1. So these are present in the hemolymph of the cockroach, mainly present in the insect. So these all are disaccharide: sucrose, lactose, maltose, isomaltose, cellobiose, and trehalose. Such as glucose is common, but bond is different. Such as maltose, the glucose, but bond is alpha 1,4. Isomaltose, glucose, but bond is alpha 1,6. Cellobiose, glucose, but bond is beta 1,4. Trehalose, glucose, but bond is alpha 1,1. So the composition is same, but bond is different. So three structure, that is the sucrose, lactose, and maltose. Sucrose consists the alpha 1 and beta 2. Alpha 1 means the glucose first carbon and fructose second carbon. So this is the aldehyde group and this is the ketonic group. So both aldehydic and ketonic group involved in the bond formation, and there is a release of one water molecule. So this is called alpha 1 beta 2 glycosidic bond. So sucrose, that is also called invert sugar. So sucrose is non-reducing sugar because both their aldehydic and ketonic group involved in bond formation. Lactose consists one galactose and glucose. So the first carbon of galactose combined with the fourth carbon of glucose. So this is the bond by release of one molecule water. So this is the lactose. Lactose is also called milk sugar. And sucrose is also called cane sugar because present in sugar cane. Maltose is also called malt sugar or barley sugar. It consists glucose and glucose. So the bond is 1 and 4. One carbon of glucose and fourth carbon of glucose. So there is a release of one water molecule. So in case of lactose and maltose, one free aldehyde group is present. So lactose and maltose is reducing sugar because one free aldehyde group is present. But in case of sucrose, there is no free aldehyde group, no free ketonic group because they are involved in bond formation. So sucrose is non-reducing and lactose maltose is reducing sugar. So it is very important. Next is the isomaltose, cellobiose, and trehalose. These are also disaccharide, but composition is different. This is glucose, bond is different. Glucose, bond is different. Trehalose, glucose, but bond is different. And sucrose has the bond alpha 1 beta 2 glycosidic bond. Lactose has bond beta 1,4, and maltose has alpha 1,4. But composition is glucose. Maltose, isomaltose, cellobiose, and trehalose all consist glucose, but bond is different. And sucrose consists glucose-fructose. That is glucose in the pyran form, and this is the fructose-furan form. This is glucopyranose and fructofuranose. And in case of lactose, maltose, both are present in the pyran form, not in furan form. So the sucrose is also called invert sugar because sucrose initially dextrorotatory, and after hydrolysis it forms glucose and fructose. So fructose is more levorotatory and glucose is dextrorotatory. So the sucrose forms glucose and fructose, and due to D form of sucrose and L form of fructose. So this is the invert sugar. So these are the disaccharide. So disaccharide means collection of two monosaccharide or one disaccharide after hydrolysis to form two monosaccharide. And trisaccharide means if hydrolyze one trisaccharide, it forms three monosaccharides such as glucose, fructose, galactose. Example is raffinose. Tetrasaccharide, it is collection of four monosaccharide: glucose, fructose, galactose. That is also called stacose. And pentasaccharide is collection of five monosaccharide: glucose, fructose, and three molecules galactose. The example is verbicose. So these are the pentasaccharide. So these are the carbohydrate. Thank you.